Well, guys, I think it's about time we make our way back to reality, and we make our way back to back home. We got one last video for us to do tonight, which will be a food review, because obviously why not? And already I've been getting my ass kicked throughout the day. Kids running into me, getting the snot beat out of me, nearly caught without my nose starting to bleed. Thank goodness I didn't get to wear that because it's going to be a lot of paperwork. And of course that's it. So in short, I am really getting my butt kicked tonight. Alright, now as we make, I just gotta say, there's actually a lot of themed churros here tonight, which I'm gonna be trying a gingerbread churro first before we make our way into our lunchtime reviews for all of you. So, and let me tell you right now, it is absolutely freezing. Hang on, let me check the weather forecast for tomorrow. See if they update it. No, they haven't. Let me tell you, folks, it is downright freezing right now. Now, if tomorrow is on and off like they're saying it is, it's really good news for me. Good news for me. And oh, watch out for more balloons. Don't want to get my butt kicked by more balloons. Almost happened again. Thank goodness I stopped. Alright, so we're going to have the gingerbread churro at that stand right there. And, oh, boy. End of the line. But the good news is the gingerbread churro can also be found near the entrance, near the train station. So, come with me, guys, as we enjoy the gingerbread churro. Hopefully this is any good. Alright, as we are slowly to leave the park for tonight, I would just like to say, there it is, guys, here's the gingerbread churro. One much like the Maleficent churro I had at the start of Halloween, I also have marshmallow sauce. So, before we dip into the marshmallow sauce, let's try it by itself. Here we go. It's weird, yes, but very not bad. Now I'm actually kind of legit curious about the marshmallow sauce. That's nice. Alright, here we go. Let's dip it in. No, let's add a little more. Oh, that's making a bigger mess with the gingerbread. Nice. Alright, here we go. Again, this is really good. If you guys make it down here for the holidays, get yourself one of these and give it a try. It may sound weird, but it's very good. Overall rating, 8.5 out of 10. Can't wait to try the other Christmas holidays, Christmas editions. I'll see you guys for the sign-off outside the park. Yeah, I'm signing off somewhere else for one. Okay, everybody, that concludes our show for the night. Well, if weather holds up tomorrow and Thursday, I will be here. We will be getting on Splash Mountain on Thursday, hopefully. So I hope you guys had a great day today. Now, tomorrow if I come, I'm going to World of Disney to check it out for you guys. So you guys can check it out. I may do pick up, drop off at the structure. I'm gonna try and get here nice and early tomorrow morning. So
I had William, so that was fun.
try and get you there, up here nice and early. So if you guys enjoyed today's show, make sure to hit the subscribe, ring the bell, follow me on Twitter, twitter.com/MikeFromLA. Mike from LA. Like my Facebook page at facebook.com/MikeFromLA1. Like my Instagram, instagram.com/MikeFromLA1. Hit me, guys, right now. Oh, let me tell you, I'm freezing my ass off right. My ass is freezing right now. And you notice the car is not here. Thank you guys so much for coming with me today. We had a pretty long day and a very successful day because I managed to get another night ride on the. I got a night ride on the Jungle Cruise, which I didn't film, but who knows? Maybe in the next couple of days I'll film another nighttime ride for you, and hopefully get on the train. All right. If you guys enjoyed today's coverage, I already said, and subscribe to my Daily Motion. DailyMotion.com/MikeFromLA1. And add me on Skype at MikeFromLA1. Well, I guess that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's show. And people say I need to try this place. Can you guys give me updates on that? I might include it for possibly 2019. Same with the diggity dogs. All right. Go back on topic here. From all of us here on the Mike from LA1 channel, well, it's just me, but I might be getting a co-host. You never know, ladies and gentlemen. From all of us here on the Mike from LA1 network, good night, and I'll see you guys either tomorrow or Thursday. And oh yeah, happy holidays. Good night, everyone.